Hey everyone, this is Mahbub, and today I will discuss on how to install WordPress on your online server via cpanel. I will do this on one of my subdomain. To do this, you have to log in your cpanel. After login, search software. From software here section, you have to click on apps installer. From here you can see WordPress. So click on install. So I from here uh, select a domain or subdomain. I will install on this subdomain. You can install WordPress on subdomain or your domain or add-on domain anyhow. So I will install this on subdomain root. Okay, and you can choose HTTPS if you have, or choose HTTP if you don't have SSL. So here write a title for your site. And a description. And then here uh, enter your WordPress site admin username. So you can take this, or you can write everything you want. And here you can enter password for your uh, website admin user, or you can generate password from here and copy it. And you can enter your personal mail address here, or your business mail address. Okay, and you can select theme for your uh, website from here, or click install. Mm. So the WordPress install successfully. So we can go to our subdomain, uh, so we can see a brand new WordPress site here. It's the default WordPress theme. You can install theme from WordPress theme store, or you can buy a theme from uh, marketplace and install uh, on this WordPress site. By this way, you can install WordPress from your cpanel. I hope it will helpful for you all. In next video, I will show you how to manage your WordPress site from WP admin. Thanks for viewing this video. For more video update, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell button for real time video notification.